how to add a link to your Snapchat story. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your link to your Snapchat. So the first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Snapchat and make sure you have clicked some photo so that you can paste your link on here. So to paste your link or add a link, what you can basically do is you can see this paperclip icon here, as you can see on the right section. So simply tap on it and make sure you allow, as this clipboard requires the access for Snapchat. So simply click on allow, and from over here just paste your link which you copied, and just like this click on search, and just like that you can attach to your snap. And as you can see, you can also use music to add it here, and just like that click on send and your story will be live and your link will be added to your Snapchat story. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.